so say yenko agudie mu idie na ye mo bi akwa babiem enyimakwo bi na de esi akonkon the sports page one April live on Adom 106.3 FM pacho ye kan obi be bo no ye kan wontie no dabi na obi huntie bet power e de one up on double chance na ba ye say omo akonya so betumi e di sikagu boto betting companies ne draw so bet power ene papa na ho na betumi e di sikagu bo ne to mu se kunkuru wadi fako kwedi kokoko F-pack pain ni be kwa F-pack okọ drugstore ho a de yansa wuti pain doctor catch am say painkiller bi ne bobo F-pack painkiller de F-pack achi no adrobia ni ho what did he na enwenu no bi wadwani ni mu nya be established na de be ma enwenu no bi wa se unya on say to da bia odidi ni one way ni ebua ohre ni ade be established na ningi na stand back obobo dan so DBS Industries omo and then chance dan DBS no ene ye kan for the ama wo na mo de abasa boso free no ye wo board dan so free ya de ama DBS roofing papa fee okoto wakoto no o de kwakoja free okwa e wate so ma dada osan ko boso ma free aba DBS obagbemi MTN isim ni network na bu MTN papa no wose yanko seamless today enya sa fe na ade yi ko ho ade chip keto akoshem na ubu na oye ni say ni nyina say seamless yes MTN for na dia ba no pa ya ere nsam no bre wo so mini sports seminar na ba Pablo Amajina mo den professor Wala Zero Sports director of sports Samuel Kwadede Yurenchi Kegyiwa na gasanie Eric Asiedu Boadi over the weekend Kumasa Sante Kotoko Alpha Brekum Chelsea ko twin draw fie Kotoko still wa bre we know yenim de ekọ ya bie transfer window enche betum de yenim place e shada ba we nima na no zolo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Karim Zito and head coach at the Makotoko after drawing in 7
We were holding the ball all right, but progressing to finish at goal was our problem. And then we were also attacking on the wing. You understand me? But still, the pull-out wasn't targeted. Well, because we needed a goal. We don't need draw here. Seriously. If we want to win the league, we shouldn't be playing draw at home. It's a fact. So definitely I have to change so that I get to this thing. But still it will go away. Unless they nothing yes, we should have won here to better our chances. But it is not yet. It is the first game. We went there, we beat them. So they are also this thing. That is my biggest problem now.
Well, that is my biggest problem now. Coach Karim Zito, head coach. Metema Kumasa Sande Koroko 0-0. Adom boy Babaya now. Didi Dramani, head coach ma. Asiedu ketekenana no makra so folk na no ada be. The man is back, Mr. Clean Sheet. Abranche Benjamin Asare. Esabeda punim has winning 1-0. Mawuli wayo and a boss are going to folk winning 1-0 no. And one game of the United the Pim so no. After the game, Didi Dramani ni.
The second half we were more expansive and then we stopped more into the wide areas, which gave us more opportunities to go behind the opponent. I think that I'm more disappointed in terms of our wastefulness. I think that the scoreline would have been maybe 4-2 or 5-2 or so. The scoreline should have been more than just one. But I think that at the end of the day, I still saw that my players still fought very well. It was a very hard fought win. We were still playing to win. You know, we don't go to play just to play. We are playing to win, and so our attitude and desire to win paid off.
Way and then someone did Dramani area to now. Aristika Choba Adriana Stars coach. Na first round kuya and say hundi ya panyai na for master ti lusu no mu lusu no more teko no mu lusu weekend you mu win 2-1 over Kerala United. Aristika Choba or Hester Kwambia so meto so sa now next game on the house of folk be bodo matmanya results papa.
Better about the reaction after lose the game from vision. Player have the reaction and his trust 90 minutes is possible win the game. Please, I need everybody understand that Kerala is a good team this season. You see, is fighting any game. Is coming here after lose after 5 games no lose 3 games away is the draw. Please, you need to understand everybody like win the league, but let waiting from our team game to game improve in the training, improve in the game. About our team have some problem. It's not the consistent. Sometimes play good some player and sometimes another game is play not good go down. And if you not have consistent, not possible.
Right. consistency ne the aristocrat choba can one seven no. Now 11 wonders we need 2 love about Holy Stars. So my bremuye read number. Now Muko PM Adriana Stars. One more to me we need 2 about Karala. American Kaseko to train draw. Sanson and Medina Sporting Club tonight. Still Women Vogue Magic Table number so young apostles are coming and young apostles and to me and Tibet United winning 1 over Gold Stars and Dreams. At the future Heart of Lions bomb to Heart of Lions also start here. To stay in Koye, Quad Bashe for pressure Gunusu Brutas. Red Raw Blacks at the Nations bomb 1-1 and a summer test division. Zulu, I will a fear. Samana boy, on top of a table tea. Points. That'll be 15 cents. 37 points. Adriana Stars toss me, 32 points. Bibiana Gold Stars toss me and 32. And 9 air kotoko 31. House of Folk toss num 31. Summer test toss 28. 25 for near Karela. And 24 a Heart of Lions or toss a young watch. And Chrono your Dream Selves to 23. Shadow Blacks toss to do 23. Vision toss to do 22. Bechem toss to do me 22. Nations toss to do me and 21. And a young apostles. Ediwa Basically Stars. You are marrying here. Becum Chelsea, How United, 11 Wonders. They are all best in the Brofo cheering down there. I just said, Yaman Koyakra and Farmamo. And only the Ecoso, Ghanaian Premier League. I don't want some so Ebrew and Nano Pay live on Adom 106.3 Sports Page 1. Yakana Savia now Copiemo, our national teams, Nakachas and Sumama over the weekend. The good news, and it's a Ghana, Yan Captain, the Dayu, while I played, they were starting Bobo, Bimano, Nak Bread or Bamumba Bokakra. I just also World Cup on the Muchimumuta. He will go some. It's a Munchan for for my now Copiemo, the Spanish Super Cup, Patoti. Real Madrid, you do better maybe answer for us. Don't achieve no more coming and some antimum, you know, Jada. Spanish Super Cup at the cinematry. So back to back wins for a team friend Barcelona. Now, for the first time since the new format, Team B. I champion the previous season. I went to the Super Cup. No, and the Barca one period more. Over the weekends also, Manchester United this for Manfa. Oh man, you pass so there. Hey, oh my, what about the man you? Oh,
was
na
Chelsea grammar.
I said a black man. You be saying a question on the question.
Baby, the power be na meko. Baby, I say menyo na meko.
Antoine Semenyo shall see. We need 10. Semenyo's first game or say go.
Mo was a Dominic ground with the Chelsea Munisa no man. And here Chelsea league no dying.
I be say we FA Cup.
No league nanka za dying.
Oh, omo da year as a fifth this year.
Ene say omo ibi kan.
No, omo ya. Said new coach aba. Am I new coach aba?
Omo visi say nyende. Maminia. Agoroba so ifra no pa.
Oh, but who say over the weekend games course on the new coach showed glimpses of
omo bobo cross eyi for nebo. Bingo fu yi.
Amo.
The omo league omo we Ghana from say right.
Omo league momore. He said they say young apostles sorry. Okay.
You can equate them to Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Na man you cried the omo that say it.
Oh, and you man you pa over the weekend the partner had you.
Ombetinya ton e de amani pa fofra ye ho adwuma.
New owners na about see and ton bedding. Now okopiem Italy so na a battle for the league e so honom na nya sam keto akra they updated to 8 no mo so 31 points no mo from 5th to 8th.
Oh,
on top of the table, Arsenal 49 and Man City toss me 43. It is so we can FA Cup until Liverpool so boy. Well, you know now you have sent in City, but in Italy, no here.
Kofi Idi Adams.
No here. Yeah. Says also sports on there. I wanted na question over my sports after to my perfect.
So far so good.
Oh no, not bad.
Supporters must settle some of the ombeko.
Oh, yes, settle the ombeko.
Must settle say Ghana the ombeko.
Yeah, the ombeko.
Must settle say Ghana bebo mo kadiako.
Yeah, the beko.
Bibi Idi Adams say Ghana na eboka no.
Eden bebo.
Yanko enemy.
I was saying, man, Baba na the sports page too, bro. Now, Kopiemo half konimo man, separated the men from the boys.
Oh, boys libi nya kwenya ura men him. Nigeria.
Woman na na ya we say.
Ibe bubu. Obi a wo no striker no left. And baby across the far.
I
one of them like a friend Africa's best striker and I'm saying
oh no man, oh he's good oh.
As I want to grab with him corner.
I know yet to asem. Yeah, can asem.
Sorry.
Quantity. Mali I just said home back against Senegal. Cameroon, Morocco winning airborne 2. Algeria, Nigeria body 2. Come on. Egypt Ivory Coast by 3 goes to 2. It has a Wednesday.
Yeah.
Semi-final and bounce back. But honest prediction. Your honest prediction.
Morocco 3, Nigeria 1.
I mean, most cry.
Morocco 3, Nigeria 1.
Senegal and Egypt.
Senegal be Egypt 2-1.
Na Senegal and Morocco are final.
Exactly.
Na hoyaje
Morocco aje.
Unana na Morocco yi.
Nyese omo hostu ni keke ho. Omo nimbo.
Well. My fans are. Aye.
Na we dey.
And you remember the sports page too aba. I just send the division 1 course.
Member. Obeba.
Yeah, o tu my o. Everybody. In fact, the extra best percent for the can bet power. I can one of the sports page 1 by DPS Industries Limited. They boss to free the amount. On chance I'm boss to free. But MTN everywhere you go. My MTN app in here. Play Store, App Store, download the near cost seamless. I'm here sponsors. Fananka Saka Kegyiwa and when. Eric Asiedu Boadi. Over to you.
We believe you too much.
Me too.
We believe you too much.
Nah, I'm on encourage you actually.
Say what?